This video will demonstrate managing codes, including reorganising, merging and renaming. I have started to do some coding in this project and have been working in an emergent way, creating codes as I read my data. As I create codes, I have been putting them in a folder for new codes. Now, I want to review these codes and see if I can reorganise them. I can see there are codes about the fishing industry, tourism, and some about agriculture. These are all aspects of the economy. To reorganise codes, create a new top-level code by right-clicking and choosing New Code. I'm going to name it Economy. Now hold down the Control key and select the codes Tourism, Fishing Industry and Agriculture. I'm going to drag these into my new Economy code. I now want to move Economy into my main catalogue, and so select it and drag it into my codes folder. I have now reorganised my codes into a hierarchical structure following the catalogue system. I also want to review my codes for wind power and renewable resources. I've decided that I don't need to distinguish between these two codes, so I'm going to merge them. Right-click on the code for wind power, and from the menu, choose Cut. Next, click on the code Renewable Resources. Right-click and select Merge into selected code. I can choose if I want to merge related items, such as linked memos, or not. To rename the code Renewable Resources as Renewable Energy, right-click on the code and select Code Properties. Because coded content will not duplicate in a code, the number of files and references may not add up to the sum of both codes prior to merging. Using a feature called aggregation, you can automatically display coding to subcodes in the top-level code. Right-click on the top-level code and select Aggregate Coding from Children. Aggregation may be toggled on or off for individual or batches of codes.